Welcome back to Ask Ide Hot. We get our Ogbonge visitor, Mrs. Olutoyin Ade Unuegbe.
Thank you.
I get her this time around because the impact don't enter inside the system. And we discuss education and the Pikin inside Obodo, Nigeria. You've been won't answer that question. But make we just join this one. Make we just join this one too to Ram. Then talk say, yeah, you beat your chest. Say you go send your Pikin go public school inside Obodo, Nigeria. I know say maybe inside of my videos say God forbid because like you don't talk. The school when you see the teacher. You don't know the level when the school day. Teacher, when they think of 7 months, some teacher will even go for board, begin to talk, say 7 times 7, 77.
Especially if now teacher will say that they owe like 7 months or 1 year.
Maybe the Pikin who coughed? Who coughed?
Who coughed?
Why are you coughing in my class?
Personally, because they take part the aggression.
They pursue
that kind of thing.
They pursue
aggression.
Make we come ask now.
Oh my God.
If we continue in this manner,
where would they go? Where would
they go?
Where would go see ourselves?
Where will they see? Because inside this our budget now, they get plan to employ 500,000 people
teachers
to work as teachers. Whether they qualify or they don't qualify. So long as say, that they come up for house in the morning, we talk say we created this percent
number of jobs.
Number of jobs. Make it not be like so. But where will they go from here? Because if teacher was the Pikin when they train, he go pass once.
No, don't even touch. You could don't go that further. Madam Toyin, Aben, you go fit answer that question. Give us.
Make we not reach time when we say now sign we come they talk ourselves.
Because I feel the
say because if you speak English now na bomb. Because they use sign say.
Come on, make you no go tabon.
Make you no go tabon, make you no cause problem.
You see, talking about public schools, when you mention public schools, what readily comes to your mind is who is the brain behind public schools? The government. Then who is a government or what is a government? When you look at a government is not just being managed by an abstract or a non-existent thing. In a human being.
Exactly.
Government, you and me, we are government. A father, a mother, they are,
everybody.
they comprise of a government. So, and I want to believe that there's no such parents, such father, such mother that does not know what is right. There's no individual that does not know what is right. Sorry, permit me to make reference to Impact School. In Impact School, our #1 cardinal point is identifying what is right.
Simple.
Identifying what is right.
Exactly.
Yes. Doing what is right and doing it at the right time.
I've been saying this thing for a very long time.
We don't do.
So there is no government. There is no that father or mother that does not know what is right.
Thank you.
So if we have a public school, they know what is right. If they don't know what is right, why would somebody send his or her child to another school, to go and study? It is because they've identified some things that are right. So if we are able to identify things that are right, then we'll be able to upgrade our public schools. The public school of today that we have, I'm sorry to say,
She will go talk say decline. The make Kukuma find the time. She not decline. She don't decline. I be say
we need to improve a lot. We need to improve.
I've been saying this.
We need to do more. We need to do more. And that is why schools, that are in the hands of the private practitioners are coming on board, to tell the government that these are the ways you should do things rightly. We can afford it, but government should not miss its priority. At least for the future of our Nigerian child and for the future of our tomorrow.
But for government not to miss its priority, government also need to address issues where they home. And by addressing issues where they home, make also bring and say, okay, the government will say virtually everybody, all their Pikin, no dey this country.
Thank you.
How it is that we feel identify or address that particular problem? What we say that they see
because
they don't
some of them people say no concern them. After all, junior is studying
abroad,
in this university. How do they address that? They don't say they're wrong, but they just how do they feel address that? Now the same problem with the thing. But the thing is, at least basically, if you have a ministry, like Ministry of Education. And I believe, yes, they could not map out key elements of things where they're supposed to do it, and they could suppose address the educational sector. But then, make also bring out. I believe say some of these ministers also get relationship with them. Waiting that they also do on our part to actually say at least education generally.
I mean, they know they hear advice.
Education generally.
They know they hear advice.
So at least we see improvement. No be just they tell us say you be minister, just be ceremonial minister for nothing. Waiting how I take also impact and ensure say the minister see say waiting they go wrong, go see waiting they go right. This one where they go wrong, main address them.
Government is hearing already.
Yes.
So, and they will continue to hear.
Yes.
But what we are talking about is let us bring about the implementation. It should not just be, okay, year in, year out, we keep on talking about that. We should, and we know it. We know what should be done, so that we will not frustrate our children and children unborn.
Thank you.
That we should not frustrate them.
Thank you.
And I want to believe that we still have rays of hope, where if we continue to,
walk.
Yes, to walk and to create awareness. And we continue to pray, for better leadership. Of course, there will be light at the end of the tunnel.
That hope now. Now I want you to ask this question now. He get one popular song when they always say, parents, listen to your children.
We are the leaders of tomorrow.
They're not able to sing that. School children not tired to sing the song. Some of them, the teacher can say, children, sing parents. They'll say, no. My daddy sang it. My uncle sang it.
We have been singing it since ages. We've not been seeing results.
You talk about ray of hope. Say hope day.
Yes.
But
where did hope come from?
Indeed. Say children, we talk
where did hope come from?
These children, they'll be really leaders of tomorrow.
They are.
How?
They are.
How?
Let me tell you, an average nation want to develop.
Okay.
There's no single nation that doesn't want to develop.
Thank you. I've been saying this thing.
If you have to develop, then you have to develop your young ones.
Thank you.
So, in developing the young ones, they are the leaders of tomorrow.
Exactly.
And if you permit me to say, I will say that our tomorrow starts from today.
Thank you.
It starts from now.
Today, now.
Exactly. So we should not delay anything.
Thank you.
We should know that what we do today.
My mom say, I hope say our leaders are here.
Exactly.
Make it start today. If we say over time, say, and I know realize, say, leaders of tomorrow supposed to start today. But at least today we don't talk about. Make it start today.
Yeah.
Make it start today. Make that move.
Very true. And you could be making no be like say we not talk am now. Professor Anthony Onka and your colleague them. Una don't hear am now. And a professor una be. We know say una don't read the book. Read that up. But it not be just to read the book. Read job na to translate am. Make we begin to see am. And I beg make una help us. Even if una calendar no una check the date. When we the children.
The leaders of tomorrow.
We become the leaders of tomorrow.
People like me.
Who could be able to count yourself join with the children.
Please, I'm still being nurtured.
Nurtured for where?
I'm still under I still chop from a mouth pot of soup.
You dey talk this thing for national TV.
And there's no end to education.
Thank you very much.
You are still learning. You are
Thank
still
you very
a
much.
child.
What are we not saying? No, why they open up for me now?
Who could be still dey chop from your mama pot?
I dey chop from I
For
no go lie.
2016.
It don't do you.
When some of us dey even dey pay school fees for people.
It don't do you.
They sponsor people.
It don't do you. It don't do you.
Our ogbonge visitor, we go thank you say you carry waka enter inside this our studio. And I beg, we go beg you say if you get the chance again, make you come on top of us.
I will be glad.
I'll be glad. Make we shake your hand.
Thank you so much, Una. They do well. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have done well. Thank you.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.